Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce Mazda special head unit 10.25-inch RPS touchscreen special for Mazda 6 ODS. Okay, you can check this back of head unit. And firstly, let me show the part. Okay, you can check it come with special harness. You can check this special connector for Mazda 6. And this connects to back of head unit. And this also connect back of head unit. This 4G SIM card slot. Okay, you can check this 4G SIM card slot. Okay, and this AMP 12 voltage wire. This back wire for backup camera, and this for steering wheel controls K2. This auto antenna wire. Okay. It supports 4G LET network. Okay, it comes with this three USB, and this GPS antenna, and this 4G network antenna. This 4G. Okay. And this backup camera is a camera input RC type, and this 12 voltage camera, and this wire brake do not need to connect this IR. Okay. Okay, let me check the back of head unit. You can check this Mazda 6 and this back. You can check this install part, and already built in the install part. And you can check this power. This fuse. And this AUX, this air fan. Okay, this you can check this 4G, this GPS, this Wi-Fi antenna, and this radio antenna, and this connection for 4G and AUX and other connection. Okay, you can check. Okay, let me connect the power. This also comes with these screws, those screws. Okay. This back connection, power connection. Okay. Now you can check your Mazda logo. Okay, this front head unit. It's built in microphone. This microphone. Okay. A 10.25 25-inch IPS touchscreen. You can check the setting. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head units. Telephone number and the email address you can contact us. You can choose time. You can choose logo and GPS navigation. You can change the SIM color, gray, little blue, and pink, red. Okay. All apps are here. You can long press choose the app, Bluetooth. When you close and click on it, it will show the Bluetooth. Also, you can set the music app or other app. Okay. All apps are here. You can check it built-in App Store, Google Play Store, and CarLink, Apple CarPlay for Android Auto. And this DSP amplifier. Play Store and vehicle settings. Okay, and this is CD player. This radio. And built-in YouTube. Okay, let me check the settings. It's Wi-Fi. You can connect Wi-Fi and support SIM card slot, 4G LTE. This display GPS storage. You can check total 64GB. This factory setting. Language you can change. Add a language. Okay. And data and time develop options. About device you can check Android 10 system. And you can check octa-core. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Thank you.